Alright, what's up everybody? This is Junior here. Today I wanted to do a quick video on an unboxing for new Air Force Ones that I picked up recently. These are Air Force Ones I've been wanting for a long time, and I had some reward dollars saved up, so I thought I'd go for it. I've actually never seen a video done for these either, other than just like quick 1-minute videos, so I thought I'd go ahead and do my own look at it. But here's the box, nothing special of course. But here is the royal blue and white Nike Air Force One. So as you can see, it's a nice smooth white leather all around. But I really like this because the royal blue pops out really nice. So you have of course, the royal blue outsole, these nice royal blue laces. Got the lace dubray. That's actually one of my favorite parts of an Air Force One, is the lace dubray here. And then inside you got a blue lining here with white in the middle. These ones I've just really liked because I think the blue pops really well, you know. Air Force Ones, you know, you can never go wrong with all white or all black. But I always like the different colors and styles that they've been coming out for Air Force Ones. And I've been wanting these for a while, so I finally went ahead and made the cop. So I'm going to do a quick on feet of these, but I also wanted to show you what it looks like putting them on as well. Alright, so I'm going to show you what they quickly look like on feet. I'm a size 10.5 for Air Force One lows, so I usually like to have my Air Force Ones that I can just slip in, but they're still tight enough that they don't fall off while I'm walking throughout the day. So as you can see, I'm just going to get an easy slip on. Okay. Alright, so let's go out and I'll show you what they look like. Alright guys, so there's a quick on look of my white and royal blue Air Force One lows. Let me know your thoughts in the comments about what you thought about them. I love these shoes. I'm looking forward to adding them into my rotation for my Air Force Ones. But I love these, so definitely a nice pickup. Definitely a 9 in my opinion, I would say. Appreciate you watching my video. Of course, as always, got more on the way. Thanks for watching and you have a great day.